Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic developers have actually said very soon Tectonic token will be getting a massive listing, and we believe next year is going to be the year Tectonic token is going to gain a lot of crypto exchanges listing Tectonic token. Recently, Kansas City actually listed Tectonic token, even though they have not really fully started partnering. The partnership has not fully taken place, but I still believe that before the end of this year, Ball City Candy will fully start working. Although they are just a small exchanges, but of course, listing Tectonic token is going to be a positive one for Tectonic token. And also, I still believe that of course, Hotbits and Albank, Get.io, Crypto.com, although Crypto.com will be supporting Tectonic token, but I believe these four, if they can really list Tectonic token before the end of next year, these four can really push Tectonic token to hit even almost 8,000 to 10,000% increase in price. But right now, we just have Crypto.com among these four. We also have VVS Finance listed this coin. Crypto.com are the actually one hosting Tectonic token, but I want to see Albank, I want to see Hotbit, I want to see Get.io, Kucoin coming in to support Tectonic token. And if we can achieve that before the end of 2023, believe it, Tectonic token is going to become one of the biggest coin, because what will actually push Tectonic token right now is for the fact that Tectonic token needs to be listed by many crypto exchanges so that their customers, can also start buying Tectonic token, not just buying it on Crypto.com and VVS Finance. Let people be able to buy Tectonic token in different platforms across the world. Also, I believe that Tectonic token, because it's being hosted by Crypto.com, so many people will see this as one of the biggest coin that is going to rise soon, because their foundation is good, but the truth still remains. 500 trillion coins in circulation is still a lot for, they have almost 500 trillion coins circulation, and 500 trillion coins supply and 110 trillion coins in circulation. So if they can really burn at least 70 to 80% of this supply and circulation, then the Tectonic token journey to hit a massive increase have also really started. But the truth still remains for the fact that the developers still need to partner with so many companies. They need to work, even though this partnership, not all the partnership is going to work, but we want to see the developers trying to do something different, because the news alone about the Tectonic token is going to get listed by some top exchanges can also affect Tectonic token positively. Okay, that is crypto industry. Sometimes the fundamental analysis always make a difference. So that's what you to understand about the crypto industry. So news can also affect the Tectonic token movement. So I also believe the Tectonic token is going to hit a massive level. So that's why the developers need to really key to this. Now that Tectonic token has started recovering, people have been talking about Tectonic token. They should start working towards getting a more better partnership for Tectonic token. Even though some of these partnership might not work through, but they should work. They should do something about it, because I believe Tectonic token is going to become one of the biggest coin ever very soon. But remember that this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decision.